Hey y'all, it's Aces. I realized it's been like a month since I actually put a decent video out on the channel. Some might say it's been longer than that, but I figured I'd check in with you guys and just say hi because there's a reason for that. Because the neighbor's doing something now. Sounds like an air compressor. Cool. So I'm trying to do this in one take on my cell phone, so the quality's kind of crap because I got stuff to do today. Because I burned all my time trying to re-record a vlog because guess who let me down again? Yep. So I actually went out yesterday and had an issue with my Purple Panda microphone. And if you guys watched the last video, that really wasn't very good. My GoPro failed to save some footage. So I updated the firmware, and then it wouldn't recognize the media mod. So I got everything back to default and got all that working. So I was like, cool. So I'm going to go re-record a vlog for the third time this morning and actually re-record one that I did yesterday that had zero audio. And yeah, it froze after 45 seconds and recovered the file, and it was only 5 minutes, so it was probably about a quarter of the actual vlog. So we're done with GoPro. They used to be the top tier, that was the action camera to have, but I've just been disappointed far too many times, and I just can't do this anymore. I'm done. I'm going to go inside and I'm going to order a DJI because I should have ordered one 2 weeks ago when they were on sale for the holidays. Now I got to pay retail, or I might just go buy it locally, depending on pricing Amazon versus like Best Buy. So yeah, it just really sucks because just haven't had the time to ride. It's just been chilly. I'm moving. My arm's getting tired, and it's actually like 60 degrees Fahrenheit outside right now. I say Fahrenheit because I know some of you guys like that metric system. Is Celsius even metric system? I got no idea. Anyway, so yeah, we're heartbroken again. And I'm going to try to get a new camera lickety split because it's actually supposed to be sunny and like mid-60s tomorrow and the day after. And I was actually wanting to take the Meanie somewhere. I was going to take the Mean Streak somewhere and just go maybe, I don't know, get some nice pictures, maybe stay somewhere overnight, I don't know, and actually do like a little trip, like for the first time. I've been talking about it all year, may as well go ahead and get it done right before the first. That still counts, is 2024, so yeah, this sucks. This sucks. Maybe I'm just stupid. I don't know. This is probably going to end up on eBay. I might keep it. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. I might fuss with it, but it's not reliable. I do still have my Insta360 X4, which we could just use that, kind of do like a single cam, and I can just do some like front shots, back shots. But I like having the helmet cam. I like having this like right here, so you guys can kind of see what I see. So, and the thing that really sucks about this the most is I think I actually got the settings dialed in to where I'm not getting all the wind noise and all the peaking like I was getting with the media mod, so I was actually really excited. Actually, if this worked out today, I was actually going to probably buy the max lens mod for it, and now that's ruined. So anyway, I hope y'all are having a better motovlog experience than I am, because this really sucks. So I'm probably not going to get the 5. I'm probably going to get the 4, the Osmo 4, and I don't know. Maybe I won't. Maybe I will. Maybe we'll stick with the 360 cam. I got to figure it out. But I just want to say hi. I didn't forget about y'all. So, y'all be good, all right? Happy New Year. See ya.